Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the feature and problem and policy of agriculture. We have already studied the main goal of Indian development plan, namely economic growth, equity, self-reliance, modernization in the previous chapter. In the present chapter, we apart from the problem and policy, we shall also try out to see the achievement in regards to agriculture during the plan period. Agriculture is the critical importance in the Indian economy. We can see by the following points. First, contribution to the GDP. Agriculture make a significant contribution to the GDP in India. During the period of planning, contribution of agriculture sector to the GDP has been ranging between the 51 to 17.4% for different year. It has tended to be declined over a time from the high as 51% in 1950 to 70.4% in 2016. However, the declined percentage of contribution of agriculture to GDP does not indicate the decline in importance of agriculture in the economy. It only indicates the relative faster growth of secondary and tertiary sector of the economy. Next, sources of employment. In India, agriculture is a significant source of employment. Over the 50% of the working population in India is engaged in agriculture sector. It is so that agriculture is the principal source of the substance for the people in India. Next, supply of raw materials. Agriculture supply industrial law like material like cotton for textile industry, seed for the oil industry, sugarcane for the sugar mills. As a supplier of raw material, agriculture sector is of a primary significance for the growth of industrial sector in the economy. Next, sources of demand for the industrial goods. Agriculture sector is an important source of demand for the industrial goods, particularly the capital goods. Tractor and harvester machine are demanded exclusively by the agriculture sectors. Thus, agriculture prosperity lead to the industrial prosperity. They also made contribution to the international trade. Agriculture make a significant contribution to Indian international trade. Indian export tea, jute, tobacco, coffee, spice exports are the source of foreign exchange which India need for the import of defense goods as well as crude oil. Next, contribution to domestic trade. Agriculture also play a significant role in the country domestic trade. This is borne out by the fact that the huge expenditure in India is incurred on the purchase of farm product needed by more than a billion people in the country. Next, support to the transport industry. Agriculture in India offer a crucial support to the transport industry. Both railway, roadways are the bulk carrier of farm product in India. Indicate that agriculture is a significant source of demand for the transport industries. Next, wealth of the nation. Significant component of the country wealth belong to the agriculture sector. In the terms of fixed asset, land occupies the highest rank in India. Beside capital worth crores of rupees stay invested in major and minor irrigation project. So we can say that agriculture in India is of a central significance both in the terms of production of farm product and in the terms of demand for the non-farm product. Any slowdown in agriculture sector lead to a slowdown in the industrial sector by the way of low demand emerging from the agriculture sector, and GDP growth rate is severely impacted. From the all point of view, agriculture occupies an important place in our economy. That is why it is said that the growth of Indian economy primarily depend on the growth of agriculture. Thank you.